Welcome back to the channel. I'm Nick Tech, and today we're working on the BMW 550i 2011. Today we're going to do the oil change, side marker light blinker. We're going to do catless and downpipes. And today I got my friend with me. And excuse the noise in the background. They got the MTA over here working on the train. If you want to walk right here. So if you hear any noise, construction-wise, that's due to that right there. So today, if you coming down here, what is it, the 5 train? It's closed down. That 5 train is done. The 2-5 train, done. Pointing over there. All right. So let's get busy. Let's pop this hook real quick. Like I said, they're going to be working on that. All right, so we're going to be working on this catless downpipe. We're going to take all this out right here. We're going to take all this out. The O2 sensor, but that's going to be later. We're going to start with the bumper. So we're gonna remove these 1, 2, 3 bolts that's right here. Then we're gonna remove that, pop the bumper out, and then we're gonna Then we got some more. Somewhere around here, I think we gotta remove this here, take this plastic off, and then some more right here, and then 6 bolts underneath the car. Now we on the driver's side. Gonna loosen it up. When you get that loose, so you got 1, 2, 3, and then 2 more on the top. All right. All right. So what Franky's doing right now, he's on loosening 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Check there's nothing over there. I might be missing it right here. 7.
7.
It wasn't even tight. I didn't play with this. I ain't play with this.
Somebody been in it before then.
You ain't saw what happened to the water pump.
And we did the water pump. Guys, we did the water, everything. We had to take out everything from here. Now you gotta do the bottom ones. Correct?
I thought you did it. I thought you did it. Let me get the thing there.
Right here.
You pull that one out too on this side?
No. I think we could just do half, no? It'd be a loose.
Oh, yeah, bring it down a little bit so we don't
Just
have
a little
to do
bit,
the
that we
whole
won't have to do the whole thing.
thing. Oh, I got a little bottom.
Here. I'll leave these screws right here. It's gonna be on the floor. What's going on? How you doing? All right, so now we're gonna remove the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Just 8?
8. You just turn it in the washer.
I gotta take that one out. Yeah. Oh, you got the wind.
Right here. That bolt right there. Oh, shine the light right here? I didn't know you had a light. That bolt right there. And
That bowl over there.
we're gonna remove the top. This one right there. Another one right here.
We didn't get the bottom one good.
Except for the bumper, I don't want you to split it. Sorry. And then one in the bottom.
There's another one on the bottom? That one in the back, I don't know how I'm gonna get that one.
No, I think that's it. Watch.
Look at the one. Yeah, so today
So we was able to do it.
yeah, now I fell off completely.
And I will show you how we did it.
Oh.
There you go. He was trying to take this off. Hold on. He was trying to take this. There's a clip here harness. What's in his hand? Right there. Let me zoom in into it. Don't let go.
Got it? Got it?
Yeah.
A whole year of chances.
Now we got the new one right here. Let's plug it in and see if it works. If it doesn't work, don't put it in.
Don't put it in no more.
Don't put it in. Just plug it in and just see if we could just put the hazard light.
Yeah. That's it.
You got it in? All right, we want to put that hazard light on.
Yeah.
Let me see.
I should have left it on so you
It's on.
did?
Yeah. It's on. I never turned it off. See? Look.
That
No.
didn't do shit. It went on and then it turned off.
Guys, so when we changing the light, there's a problem with the, how you would say, the modular on the light here. is a problem. Because every time we turn it on, it just turns on and it stays off. It doesn't flash. Watch, I'm gonna show you. We're gonna show you right now. Hold on. And that's it. That's what it does. So I think it's something wrong with the modular on that, because it's working. See over here, we got the flashing. So this right here is not working. So I think it's something wrong with the modular. And every light is working. All three of them is working except for this one. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for part 2. Peace.